How to pay CIBC Costco Mastercard bill. Let's get started. You can either use online banking or your mobile banking. Just go ahead and use any of it. Make sure you have already logged into the account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this page. Now what you have to do is click on three dots, select the option Pay a Bill. Again, click on the option Pay a Bill. Now type in the amount that you want to pay. Select the payee. Select the account. Set the date. Just fill out all this information, and once you do that, click on the option Next. You'll be directed to next page. Verification. You are about to make a payment. Click on Yes. Now click Finish. And just with that, you have completed the payment. So this way you can easily pay CIBC Costco Mastercard bill. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.